In this video, you'll learn how to change your email on Vagaro so your account always stays up to date and secure. Keeping your email current is important because it's how Vagaro sends you confirmations, updates, and password reset links. If you've switched email providers, created a new inbox just for appointments, or simply want better control over your account, updating it only takes a minute once you know where to look. First, go ahead and sign into your Vagaro account the way you normally do, either on your computer or through your browser on a mobile device. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, or if you don't use a photo, you might see your initials in a small circle. Click on that profile area, a small menu will appear, and from that menu, choose the option called My Profile. This is where you can manage your personal information and account settings. After the My Profile page opens, take a moment to scroll down slowly. You're looking for a section labeled either Account Management or Account and Security, depending on how the page is laid out for your account. These sections usually group together anything related to logging in, passwords, and email addresses, so it's the right place to be when you want to make sign-in changes. Within that Account Management or Account and Security section, you'll see an option that says Change Your Account Email. Go ahead and click that. This will open a small form or pop-up where you can type in your new email address and confirm that you're the one making the change. In the field for your email, carefully type the new email address you want to use. It's a good idea to double check for any typos, especially small details like dots, dashes, or numbers, because even a tiny mistake can send important messages to the wrong place or cause login issues later. Make sure this is an email you actively check, since Vagaro may use it for confirmations or security notifications. Next, you'll be asked to enter your current password. This step is there to protect your account. By asking for your password, Vagaro is confirming that it's really you making this change and not someone who just happened to get access to your device. Carefully type your current password exactly as you use it to log in. If you're unsure of it, you may want to confirm you can log out and log back in before starting the email change process, just so you know you have the right password on hand. Once your new email is entered and your current password is typed in, look for the button to save or confirm your changes and click it. After that, Vagaro may send a confirmation message to your new email address. If that happens, open your inbox, find the message from Vagaro, and follow any instructions there, such as clicking a verification link. This final step helps verify that the email address belongs to you and that you have access to it. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your email on Vagaro, helping ensure you continue to receive all your appointment details, reminders, and account notifications without interruption.